Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov, and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Guatemala and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Guatemala faces widespread corruption, violence, and impunity, with limited access to justice and protection, especially for vulnerable populations. Political activists, journalists, and anti-corruption prosecutors have been harassed, threatened, and forced into exile for speaking out against government abuse or organized crime. Criminal groups, including drug cartels and local gangs, operate with impunity and frequently target civilians with extortion, forced recruitment, or violence. Indigenous communities face systemic discrimination, land dispossession, and targeted attacks, particularly when defending ancestral territories or opposing extractive industries. They often lack access to healthcare, education, and legal protection and are disproportionately affected by state violence. Women and girls in Guatemala face one of the highest rates of femicide in Latin America. Sexual violence, domestic abuse, and human trafficking are widespread, and authorities frequently fail to investigate or prosecute crimes. Many women who report abuse face further threats and retaliation. LGBT individuals face discrimination, harassment, and violence, particularly in conservative and rural areas. There are no comprehensive protections, and hate crimes are rarely prosecuted. Returnees may be targeted by gangs, corrupt officials, or local power structures, especially if they are perceived as having financial resources, foreign connections, or a history of political engagement abroad. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.